Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. Here is card number 2. It is done with more of a monochromatic look. It has pebbled path, white, and crumb cake that goes along with that suede, gold glinting suede faux leather, and coordinates also with the rustic dots. I did do something unique to me, which is this jelly roll is like a shimmer. It is like I would call it a platinum shimmer. It's not gold and it's not silver. And I actually, when I did the background, this is from a Pinterest pin that is monochromatic like this. Different patterns chosen, but the same DSP. Different sentiment than what I picked. And the background is dotted with some sort of a dotting stamp. I used Quiet Meadow. I think that the dot stamp used was the one from Notes of Nature, which is very similar to the Quiet Meadow one. I just happen to have Quiet Meadow always sitting out on my desk because I love to do splatter dots. And then this lovely DSP here has the splatter dots, and the sprigs are in crumb cake. The pin card, not only did it not have the shimmer, it also made this smaller grid paper, which was a different paper that they used, was shorter so that you could see, like, these to me look like corn stalks, and they extended down to the bottom. In my application, I went ahead and went with the larger piece of the grid paper, just giving it a thin, like 1/16 edge on 3 sides. And then I also used these sprigs, which are different than the treatment that they used for their accent bits. So I went ahead and moved these 2 stalks over so that the sprigs here wouldn't cover up stalk number 4. I think that's all I've got on this one. I did use white heat embossing, and this sentiment is from Notes of Nature as well. Very nice card. I have mostly men in the family, so anytime I can get a neutrals colored card that isn't flowery, this is going to be a great happy birthday card for the men in my family, which I have many of them. So there will be one more card coming later this week. It will also be a birthday card, and it will also be neutral colors. So do all the YouTube things. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, before I go, I'm trying to give measurements. I do believe that I can see this piece of paper through the hole. So it is 2 inches. So it's the same as the previous card. I think I had cut 2-inch wide of the exact same grid. The other one I cut off, and this one is longer. It is 5 1/4. And the width of the top is 3/4 of an inch wide. Yes. And again, this particular fishtail is from Stylish Shapes. Same set as the He Is Risen that I posted previously. So that's all I got. As I said, do all the YouTube things. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.